The 2013 Chevy Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there and is priced below $50,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: anti-lock braking system, traction control, navigation system, power passenger seat, running boards, front air conditioning, HomeLink garage door opener, power steering, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, floor mats. Your new ride is just a phone call away.